गुड मॉर्निंग DXN। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब। दिस इज सौ रूपाली विलासकर फ्रॉम खंडेरायची सोन्याची नगरी जेजुरी. By status, I am a star diamond and I would really like to thank Sujish Nair sir and management of DXN company for giving us such a nice opportunity to prepare some recipes with the use of DXN products. And today I am going to make one cake from using DXN products. So without wasting time, let's get started. For making this cocoa cake, we need some ingredients, and these ingredients are: first you need 1 bowl of rava, then 1 bowl of milk, then half bowl of curd, some sugar, that is half bowl if needed, then cardamom, 4 cardamoms, then 2 tablespoons of oil, then 3 cocoa packs and 1 Codicip coffee, 1 Enos packet and half lemon. Now for preparing such cake, rava cake, or by using such cocoa cake, we need some time. So what we will do, we have to make some batter of all these ingredients and put it for some time. So we will see you within some seconds. Now I have mixed all the ingredients into this mixing pan and I will start it and mix it. Just have a look. I have already put one cooker on gas for nearly about 20 minutes on slow flame. Now I will apply some oil in this utensil from all the sides, as you can see. Now I have to pour this batter in this vessel. This is really very easy cake made from DXN products. Actually, DXN has arranged this Foodo Mania competition, which is really great for all the ladies during this lockdown period. Winning and losing is a part of game. So I am not interested in winning the game, but at least people will come to know that DXN people, DXN ladies are always ahead in all the fields. Even it is a field work of DXN or it is a cooking. Consistency should be like this. See here. And if you are not making use of a mixer, then use such type of stirrer for mixing this batter. Now I am going to put this pan in this cooker and I have to cover it with the use of lid. And I have made medium flame, and after 40 minutes we will again come and check whether the cake is baked or not. So thank you very much. We will meet after 40 minutes. Welcome back again. Good morning DXN. and I think already 40 minutes have passed. So let's see how our cake is. Wow, look at the color of the cake and the flavor, and the fragrance is so nice and amazing that you will definitely love it. Now we will off the gas stove and put it aside. For making it cool, we have to again put it aside for 10 minutes, or you can put it in fridge. Now let's wait for 10 minutes again. This cake has become so fluffy and spongy that you will love it. So now I am trying to remove it. Wow, you can see the flavor of the cake is so amazing. Now we have to decorate it with the help of gems. While decorating, I will give you some information about these DXN products, that is Cordyceps coffee and Cocozee, that we have used as ingredients in this cake. But you can see the cake has become so amazing, so tasty, so fluffy, so spongy that everybody would like to make it at home. This is the specialty of DXN products. As you can see, I am also going to tell you some benefits of Cocozee powder. Actually, this Cocozee is not only meant for children but also for elders. This Cocozee helps to improve your hunger. Then it also helps to improve your immune system. Then immunity, boost your immunity, especially for children, because they need more energy than elders. As a sport person also need it. It also helps to improve blood level and create new blood in our cells. Cocozee also helps to improve our immune system, then cells, and repair our damaged cells. So we can say that this is a really boon for our DXN and for people who are consuming it. Then Cordyceps coffee, it helps to improve your cholesterol level. Then ladies and gents hormone system, hormones. It also helps to remove your stress, Cordyceps coffee, and improve your blood level, improve your immunity system. Then you can become stress free during this I think COVID period, and also usually you can use these products. And you can see our stock, mini stock point. From all the products, you can see all the products are available in Jezuri, and our mobile number is also given on the screen. Now let's cut the cake. First, just have a look at this cake once again, because now I am going to cut it. बाजूला घे, कट कर जरा. See here, one bite of cake. It has become so fluffy, so spongy, and you would really like to taste it. So please, also you can also make at home such type of cakes by using DXN products, Cocozee, Cordyceps. and I would really thank again to DXN management for giving me a chance to participate in this contest of Foodomania. And I would also like to make one such video tomorrow. So we will definitely going to meet you again tomorrow. Thank you. And wow, it's so amazing and tasty cake, just like market cake. But for market cake you have to pay so many rupees, but this cake I think I have spent only 200, within 200 rupees, and it's very healthy because DXN products are very healthy. And the main motto of DXN products is to spread health, wealth and happiness. So I think everybody would like to make such cake and make everyone happy. And I would like to share one share on this DXN. खुशबू गुलाबों से होती है, कांटों से नहीं. खुशबू गुलाबों से होती है, कांटों से नहीं. हेल्थ, वेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस तो सिर्फ DXN के प्रोडक्ट्स ही दे सकते हैं, बाकी और प्रोडक्ट्स में वो दम नहीं. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग.